In this video, I'm gonna show you how to freeze a video and crop a video. So let's get started. First of all, you need to import the video, or you can simply drag and drop a video to your timeline. Our video is imported to the timeline. Now I can freeze from anywhere. Just simply move this line and set the point and then select the freeze. If I run this video, you can see this section is freeze. Again. Now I want to show you how to crop a video. Suppose you are making a reels. So first of all, you need to select a aspect ratio for the reels. Then click this resize from the left side and from the right side. Now confirm. Here you can see the video is cropped. If you want to fill up this section from the top and from the bottom line, simply you can scale up this video. Perfectly done for a reels. Thank you for watching.